The KODS Online Flying Saw is designed high-speed production lines, offering precise and efficient metal cutting solutions. With carbide plus PVD coating material and a variety of tooth designs, KODS saws are ideal for cutting high tensile strength API pipes, ensuring smooth burr-free edges and extended tool life. Suitable for pipes with diameters ranging from 40060 ohm with cutting speeds up to 450 meters per minute and a feed rate of 0.0 from tooth. KODS flying saws excel in straight-line feeding tube production. No matter in automotive, aerospace, or shipbuilding industries. KODS saws provide precise and efficient cutting capabilities. Supporting advanced manufacturing with high reliability.